Hey, today I am at Three Ridges Events property, and this is the second hill, and I've cleared this whole hill, so there's lots of little avenues that we can now travel. This right here is the first time I've done this direction, and without a spotter or anybody, it's like a little hairy at first, and I'm sure after you've done it a few times it won't be that bad, but it's really not that bad, but it's just lining up your Jeep in the slot to get down this fairly steep drop here. But basically you can go up that and down that. For the record, right next to that tree there on the right, there's a hornet's nest that we're going to get rid of. Alright, so here you see I'm coming up right in here, and we're going to go to the right. Going to the right. You can go up and over that too, but you have to hit that just right, because it is, like, you can't hardly see in this video, but the ledge there is actually pretty big. Okay, so here you can go straight out if you can get to that picture area if you want. So here we're coming back from the other side. You see off to the right, that's where we just came up, but I cleared some of this too today. And what this allows, you can kind of see, you can kind of squeeze on this tree here. Got plenty of space, but the way the rock is positioned, you kind of want to get close to the tree so that your driver's tire goes over this one rock there. But let's see, angle over there. Let's get my tire up and over. That allows you to shoot through. So then the other thing that we have here is then you can also, if you're coming from the other side of Pizza Rock, you could slide through there and then shoot downhill, because there's kind of a gnarly little rock thing that you could do. I'm sure the two doors are going to like that. This thing is very steep, like 31, 32 degrees, and it's probably more like when I hit that rock there. But I was kind of surprised I was able to get up and over. And then you can drive straight down, or you can take a left, or you could take a right, go out to that picture rock. And here you kind of have to decide, like, which way am I going? Okay, here, I'm going up the section I cleared. You can see I'm using my drone as a tripod. Not really good to be flying in all these trees. And since I haven't really flown in a year, trees are not drone things. This is kind of hard to control it when I'm in my Jeep driving, but can't really tell. That's pretty steep going up there. And then you've got a rock ledge. And I think the backside of that rock ledge is where that little rock garden is there. But that ledge is much bigger because the ground in front of that ledge is sunk in. So here I am again. I think this one, I'm going to go up into that same spot, but instead of going straight up and over, now I'm going to go to the right. Gotta adjust the camera here. It's like I notice that the drone isn't following me. Right there, I stop. Rotate. Let's go. Okay, so that's that slot that I was talking about that I came down in the first half or whatever, in the first 4 minutes of this video. All right, so here is a different look at that, but you can see I'm going the same as I did that last time, but this time I got the drone up top. I'm in that slot. There you go, right there. And then from there, now I've moved the drone to a different spot, and now I'm kind of working my way out to the picture rock. There's that gap. We're going to have to do something with that. It is just a little steep, only because there's no place to turn around. I don't know if you can tell, but I actually hit on the tailgate there too. Not the tailgate, but the bumper. I think I bumped the tire a little bit. Which a good tip is, if you're in wheeling and you're in one of these spots where you've got like a chance to hit that rear tire that's up on your tire carrier, you should have your tire aired down, as it lessens the chance of you pushing that tire up through your window. I learned that out west from somebody. Well, I hope I get the opportunity to see you guys out here and enjoy this property. Three Ridges Events, LLC. Thanks for watching.